Hello friends, today we will discuss an important part of reasoning, that is conditional test. In conditional test, questions are given. In the question some letters are given and their code, that is number or symbol, or letters or numbers are given and their code is given in the form of number, symbol or letters, and some conditions are given. Now the question will be like this. Some alphabets or numbers or code will be given and we have to find their codes according to these conditions by following these conditions. Okay, so let us solve the question. The question is, these are some letters L, T, I, C, O, M, P, N, A, G, J, E. Now their symbols are, the symbol for L is N, and similarly all the symbols are given for the alphabets. Now some conditions are that if the first letter is a consonant and the last a vowel, both are to be coded as the code for vowel. The second is if no letter is present in the group of letters, if no, it is vowel. If no vowel is present in the group of letters, the second and the fifth letters are to be coded as copyright. Okay. So let us see the first question. The first question is L, T, M, B and G. Okay. So let us see if the condition first will be applied or condition second will be applied. The first condition is if the first letter is a consonant. Here the first letter is a consonant. Okay. And the last a vowel. And here the last letter is also consonant. So the first condition will not be applied. Now the second condition is if no vowel is present in the group of letters. Let us see that if the vowels are present or not. L, T, M, B and G. Here no vowels are present in the group of letter. So second condition will be applied here. Okay, in this question. So the condition is if no vowel is present in the group of letters, the second and the fifth letters are to be coded as copyright. That means the second, that means this, and fifth, third, fourth, fifth, that means this one are to be coded as copyright. Okay, so let us first write the code for L here. The code for L is M, and the code for T will be copyright as given in the condition. The code for M will be $sign. The code for B will be apostrophe sign, exclamatory sign. The code for N will also be copyright as given in the condition. The code for G will be 9. Okay. So this is the correct code for this question, for this group of letters. Now let us see the second group of letters. The second group of letters is B, N, A, G, J, E. Now let us see the question, the condition. The first condition is if the first letter is a consonant, here the first letter is a consonant and the last letter a vowel, here the last letter is a vowel. So here the first condition will be applied. Both are to be coded as the code for the vowel. That means here in front of B and in front of E, in both cases the code for E will be written. So the code for E is equals to, okay, the code for N is 1. The code for A is 5. The code for G is 9. The code for J is asterisk sign. And the code for E will be equals to as given in the condition. Okay. So this will be the correct solution. The third group of letters is I, C, O, M, B, N. Now here both conditions are not applied in this question. So we will simply write the code for this group of letters as here these codes are given. So the code for I is question mark. The code for C is hash sign. The code for O is ampersand sign. The code for M is $sign. The code for B is exclamatory sign. And the code for N is 1. So this will be the final code for this group of letters. Okay. So we will solve these questions like this only as we have solved now. Okay. And if you have any problem, then please contact our channel Moving Film Productions. Okay.